Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see how users can recover deleted files from the recycle bin and permanently delete them from Salesforce and Amazon S3. If you enable S3 Link Recycle Bin feature in S3 File Search or S3 File Explorer, then deleted files will not be immediately deleted from Salesforce and Amazon S3. They will be moved to the S3 Link Recycle Bin and stay there for a few days. After that, they will be auto-deleted from Salesforce and Amazon S3 unless someone recovers them from the S3 Link Recycle Bin. Once the file is moved to S3 Link Recycle Bin, users will not be able to download or preview that file. Admin or file owner will have to recover the file from S3 Link Recycle Bin in order to allow users to download or preview that file. They can also delete it permanently from Salesforce and Amazon S3. Before proceeding with the Recycle Bin capabilities, make sure S3 Link Recycle Bin is enabled in your Salesforce org. Now let's check the capabilities of S3 Link Recycle Bin. Click on the app launcher and open S3 Link Recycle Bin. It will display a list of deleted files. There are two types of recycle bins: My Recycle Bin and Org Recycle Bin. If you choose My Recycle Bin, you'll only see files that have been deleted by yourself. If you select Org Recycle Bin, then you will see files deleted by all users across the organization. Org Recycle Bin will be available only for system admin. In S3 Link Recycle Bin, if there are large numbers of files and it is difficult to find that file, then you can search the specific files using a name. Provide the keyword in the search bar and click on Enter. You will see all S3 files whose name contains that keyword. You can also search files using advanced filter criteria. It will help you search files more efficiently. Let's try that. Click on the filter and select the S3 folder name and username who deleted the file and specify a range of date in which files are deleted. Once all criteria are added, click on Apply Filter. This will display all files which meet the selected criteria. You can also view more information about deleted files by showing additional fields as columns in the list. To do this, click on the settings icon and select fields you want to display. Once you've made your selections, click on Apply. This will display selected fields in the list, allowing you to access additional file details and customize your view according to your preference. Let's see the actions available in S3 Link Recycle Bin one by one. To recover a file, simply click on Restore from the menu for the S3 file. The file will be restored. If you want to recover multiple files, select all S3 files you want to recover and then click on the Restore button at the top. Upon clicking the Restore button, you'll receive a success message confirming the restoration process. Once restored, the files will be available for download and preview. You'll notice that these files are now no longer visible in the S3 Link Recycle Bin, indicating a successful restoration process. To delete S3 file permanently, simply click on Delete from the menu for the S3 file. The file will be deleted permanently. If you want to delete multiple files, select all S3 files you want to delete and then click on the Delete button at the top. Upon clicking the Delete button, you'll receive a success message confirming the deletion process. After deletion, the files will be permanently removed from the Salesforce and Amazon S3. If you have multiple files in the recycle bin and want to delete them all at once, you can do so by clicking on Empty My Recycle Bin. This action will permanently delete all files that have been deleted by you. It offers a convenient way to clear out the recycle bin efficiently and ensure that no unnecessary files are retained in the system. Additionally, Admins have the capability to permanently delete files that have been deleted by all users and not just themselves. This can be done by clicking on Empty org Recycle Bin. This action will permanently remove all files that have been moved to the recycle bin. Thank you for watching.